Welcome friends to my YouTube channel. Now on today's lecture I shall going to discuss the capillary dyes method, and before that we have to know the angle of contact. We have to associate with this term. Okay. So today we will discuss about angle of contact. Okay. Now first of all, there are if there are few liquids that if we dip them in a vertical tube, okay, if a liquid is dipped in a vertical tube that wets the walls of the tube, remember, which wets the walls of the tube, in that particular case the liquid forms a concave meniscus. Okay, say this is a capillary tube. Okay, so if we fill this capillary tube by a liquid that wets the walls of the tube, in that particular case the liquid get raised. Okay, the liquid level gets raised, so it will form a concave meniscus, you see. Okay, this is the liquid. Okay, so if we fill this capillary tube with a liquid that wets the walls of the tube, in that particular case the liquid level gets raised and form a concave meniscus. Okay, so that form a concave meniscus. Okay, and the liquid raises. Okay, now angle of contact, we will define that the angle between the tangent to the solid surface towards the liquid and tangent to the liquid surface away from the solid. Okay, so tangent to the solid surface towards the liquid, and tangent to the liquid surface away from solid. Okay, so if we at the point of contact, so this is the point of contact. Okay, this is the point of contact, so we have to take what? Tangent to the solid surface towards the liquid. So this is the tangent to the solid surface towards the liquid, this is fine, and the tangent to the liquid surface away from the solid. So this passes through away from the solid, so we have to remove this, since we have to only take that line that is away from solid, so we have to take only this line. So this is the angle of contact. Okay, tangent to the solid surface towards the liquid, this is fine, and tangent to the liquid surface away from the solid. So if we take this line, okay, it passes through the solid, so it cannot be considered, so we have to remove it. Okay, so this line only passes through away from the solid, so this is the angle of contact, and you see in this case theta is less than 90 degree. Okay, so this happens for those liquids which we dip into the capillary tube, and the liquid level gets raised. Okay, so liquid level raises, and as a result a concave meniscus is formed. Okay, and you see clearly from the picture that here the angle of contact theta is less than 90 degree. Okay, now few liquids like impure water, not pure water. Okay, impure water behaves like this type of, the behavior of impure water is like that, impure water. Okay, so this is the first case. Okay, tangent to the solid surface towards the liquid and tangent to the liquid surface away from the solid. Now also there are few liquids which when dipped into a vertical capillary tube, okay, the liquid level gets depressed. As a result, a convex meniscus is formed. So if we draw a capillary tube, this, okay, so this is the convex meniscus, okay. Okay, so in this case what happens? Convex meniscus is formed, okay. Liquid gets depressed, liquid gets depressed, okay. Take an example. The familiar example is mercury. So mercury, when dipped in a vertical capillary tube, it will depressed. As a result, a convex meniscus is formed. Now we have to take this line, that is the tangent to the solid surface towards the liquid. This is the tangent at the solid surface towards the liquid, this is fine, and tangent to the liquid surface away from solid. So if we take this line, then it passes through the solid, so we have to eliminate this line and only take this, because this line is away from solid, fine. So now this is the point of contact, so this is the angle theta, angle of contact. Now here you see that the angle of contact is greater than 90 degree, okay. Tangent to the solid surface towards the liquid and tangent to the liquid surface away from solid, okay. So what we see, there are different types of liquids. Few, when dipped vertically in a capillary tube that weights the walls of the tube, can form a concave meniscus like in pure water, and in that particular case theta is less than 90 degree. But liquid like mercury, when dipped in a vertical capillary tube, does not weight the walls of the tube. As a result, it gets depressed and a convex meniscus is formed, and you see from the picture that angle of contact is greater than 90 degrees. So there are two types of liquid. One weights the walls of the tube and another does not weight the walls of the tube, okay. And remember the familiar example for concave meniscus. We see the familiar example is impure water, and for convex meniscus the familiar example is mercury, okay. So this we have to know before starting the capillary rise method, okay. Now in my next lecture I shall going to discuss the, when a liquid is dipped vertically in a capillary tube, suppose it weights the walls of the tube, the liquid will raise a few height, that it will do it I will do in my next class, okay. So dear guys, if you don't subscribe my channel, then kindly like and subscribe my channel and also share it to your friends, okay. Thank you.